we are in Sofia, which is actually the capital of Bulgaria. Look who I ran into. I have never in my life seen this here. Is y'all hiring? Wait, I don't know if you can climb these. Actually, how did that get here? Don't. You gotta run through that. Oh no. Whoa, chill. Good morning, everybody. We are in Sofia, which is actually the capital of Bulgaria. And we're actually here in the center right now. What we're gonna do is we're pretty much just gonna kind of hang out, see what they got going on, and yeah, just make a little day out of it. So yeah, let's go ahead and hang out. Let's see what Sofia is all about. All right, what a lovely summer day we got going on here today. Beautiful day for a nice little video. Now, where we are currently, or the building that you see behind me, is called NDK. It's like a performance center, and this is pretty much kind of where the center of the city starts. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk down this street called Vitushka, where you have a lot of shops, a lot of restaurants. It's kind of like the main area. And then what we'll do is we'll probably end up at Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. And then, I don't know, we'll probably stop to get a bite somewhere, maybe get a coffee. I really have no idea how this day is gonna pan out. No agenda, no itinerary, just gonna kind of hang out. So yeah, I'm excited. Okay, we are now in Vitushka Street, and similar to like the one in Burgas, this pretty much goes down all the way, and it's kind of like their main center street. Now, like I said, it looks like there's some sort of book fair going on right now, and I even talked to actually one of the guys, and he said that they're pretty much here until mid-September, or I guess to the end of the week, and then apparently something else is coming after. So it looks like there's always something going on here, but yeah, I guess this week that I'm here, it's some sort of book fair, which is unique. Okay guys, as I was walking down the actual center, look who I ran into. No stranger to the vlog, my cousin. He literally was just hanging out at some cafe. I'm like, yo, come tag along. So now he's gonna come hang out with me. We're basically just gonna continue this trip now together. What do you gotta say to the vlog? Say hi.
What's up guys?
Yeah, a real vlogger. All right, I have never in my life seen this here. They actually have a walk through McDonald's. Is anyone even in there? Is y'all hiring? Okay, we just came down one of the underpasses, and it's so, I've never seen anything like this. They have some old ruins or remains in the actual underpass. It's like built into it. You can even see here, there's some stuff like this here as well. I don't know what this description says, but some sort of ancient, whatever that means. It's cool that they have these kind of preserved relics of time just integrated into the city. Why are you standing there so default? Even this right here, like, look at the wall itself actually. I wonder how old this wall is. They got some stuff down there as well. And then you just walk right through it here. It's kind of like a new meets old integration. What is there anything in there or no?
It's locked.
I don't know, this is sick actually. This is from ancient times. Actually, how did that get here? Whoa, ancient rock. No! They just have these rocks out and about like that. I wonder how old this rock is right here. I gotta touch this rock right here. Well, I'm going out here. Whoa.
Like 2016.
Oh my God.
I think.
That's you?
Yeah, me and Stilly.
No way. Yeah. Recreate that right now. Where is that?
Right now. Wait. Isn't that right here?
Do it. Where is it? Wait, I don't know if you can climb these. All right. Yeah. Oh my God. Recreating history on top of history. I don't know what the legality of this is, but they got this rope here though. For this section, you can't actually go to. The other section is completely fine. But this here, this ancient skate park area, you cannot go over here. Whoa, chill. Okay, we just finished with the actual archaeological sign. Oh, sorry. Lady passing under me. But yeah, this is the mosque right behind me here. Thumbnail. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna walk through this heavily patrolled park. I don't know why there's so much police here, but we're gonna go through this park right here. Oh no, they know you climbed the archaeological site, blah, blah, blah. How much is this?
Bro, you can't even drive this thing, bro. What the fuck?
Wow, this is a nice little park they got going on here.
11, I jump in.
Oh, I'm running out of battery. You gotta run through that. You gotta run through that. Oh, yeah. Oh my God.
Wanna eat some bread?
Yeah, is there any bread here? Let me see.
Get a piece.
Oh, nice.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
All right, we're about to go into some sort of market. Let's see what they got in here. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so randomly, as we were walking through the actual park, it looks like we came across this store here. It looks like a supermarket, but it's like I've never seen one like this. I don't know whether this is in like some sort of abandoned train station. There's some sort of fountain in the middle of the supermarket, and then you got beer on sale right here. I mean, where else are you gonna see something like this? You got beer on sale right next to this fountain right here. Oh, let's see. Make a wish.
6-7 mango mustard.
Well, this is kind of cool though. You know, this place is so awesome because even though you're in the middle of a store, it's like a park. I mean, you come in here, you take one of these, crack it open, and then and you have this nice little view of the fountain back here. And then whenever you get thirsty, you can just go ahead, enjoy one of these. Guys, relax, okay? I ended up buying this. Show them the receipt. Come on, guys. I ended up buying this, okay? I don't want no comments saying this guy stole it. But a little bit of a vibe, I'm not gonna lie. All right, let's get out of here. All right, after some considerable walking, we have finally made it to arguably not only the most recognizable place in Sofia, but Bulgaria. This is Alexander Nevsky Church. Check this out. We're gonna get a little closer. I think we can actually go in right now as well, so we're probably gonna go ahead and try and do that. But this building is absolutely insane. Okay, let's go inside and see what it looks like. Okay guys, unfortunately I cannot film in here, so I will be respecting that. But I will tell you what the experience looks like once I come out. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, we just ended up finishing up at the actual church. We went in, like I said, you weren't able to film, so I didn't want to kind of be too rude or anything. I wanted to be respectful. So we didn't really film in there, but it was typical kind of Eastern Europe church architecture that you'll see anywhere else, especially Orthodox church. But yes, very beautiful. Art all over the walls, giant glass chandeliers, very, very beautiful. But now, what we're gonna do is we're probably gonna hop on some scooters and then we're gonna meet up with everybody else. And then I don't know what the rest of the night is. Maybe we're gonna go eat somewhere. I really have no clue. But, oh, here come the boys with the, yeah. But yeah, we're gonna pretty much just go ahead and wrap it up now. And I guess I'll see you whenever we go to eat. Okay, bye. All right, we got the scooters secured right here. We're gonna go meet up with everybody else now. Go crazy. Let's see it. Pop a wheelie. Let's see some. Oi, monkata. Yeah. I don't recommend riding these while filming. Riding and vlogging. What? It is. Come on, ready? Okay, we are getting a little bit hungry now, but I think what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna go to the mall and we're just gonna chill there for a little bit, and then I don't know if we're going to a restaurant or not, but I'm not filming at the mall. So I guess I'll see you guys later on today, whatever I end up doing. Okay, bye for now. Alright guys, welcome back. Now we actually did not end up going to a restaurant. Instead, we ended up coming back home and we ate here. But overall today was an amazing day. Did you have a good day today?
Yeah, I had an amazing day.
Wait, what was your favorite part about today though?
I don't know, maybe the scooters.
The scooters at the end? Yeah, the scooters were really fun. But yeah, Sofia, amazing little time here. We had a good time. I wish I could have shown you guys more. I wish he could have shown you more. He knows this whole city like the back of his hand.
Yeah.
But I appreciate you guys for tagging along. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.